Hey guys, Technometry here today to show you guys how to quickly set up your iPhone 7 or any of the iPhones that you have, or if you guys are new to the iPhone and you want to get started with, putting in your SIM card to get service and get to the home screen. So first thing you want to do is power it on. The power button on this iPhone 7 is on the side, so you want to hold that power button until you see the Apple logo. So that is turning on your iPhone 7. Usually takes couple seconds and then we can get right into it. At the same time, we can go ahead and put the SIM card in, which is usually on the side, and you want to take your SIM ejector or a paper clip or even a earring piece, and that can fit in here, and just push it in till you see kind of the SIM tray pop out. And then you want to take your SIM card that you have. Usually the SIM card these phones take is the nano size SIM. If you guys don't have that, get to your carrier and kind of get a nano size SIM for your service. So you place this by matching up the cut edge. One of the edge will be cut. Place it on top, and then put it right back into the same spot till it is flush against the side, and that will kind of get you the service. So the first thing you select is the language. After that, your country or region, and then hit setup manually, and then hit continue for this, and then touch ID. You can set up later, or if you want it, what it will do is kind of place your finger a couple times on the home button, and that will kind of start reading your finger. We'll hit setup later because we want to quickly get to the home screen right now for the demo purposes. So don't use passcode. There's a couple options for passcode. As you can see, you can have a 4-digit. You don't even have to use a passcode if you don't want to, or alphanumerical as well. So we want to use it for our demo purposes, so we can just quickly get to the home screen. Don't use passcode. And then there's a couple options for backing, getting data on your phone. Either you can back it up from your iCloud backup if you were an existing iPhone user, or you can do it from your iTunes if you have a backup in your iTunes, or even move your data from an Android as well. That will take you to that process. Or if you don't want to do any data transfer, you can just click the last option. And the next thing is Apple ID. So Apple relies on having Apple ID to do everything from, downloading apps to kind of using like core features such as FaceTime and iMessage, which comes free when you get a Apple ID. Either you can create one or put in your existing one, or if you forgot your password, you can click on that. So we'll go ahead that I don't have one, so I don't have to set it up. So you can create one if you need to by clicking on the second option where it says create a free Apple ID. It'll just ask for your name and information and what email you want to set up with. You can, or else you can do this later. So we'll go ahead and set up later. Don't use for now. And then terms and conditions, all the legal stuff, we'll hit agree. Express settings, we'll just hit continue, keeping your iPhone up to date. So this is important. If you don't want the latest iOS update, you'll click doing it manually. But if you don't care about when the updates happen, you can hit continue. So we'll hit continue. iMessage and FaceTime, this component is, like I said, a core feature of the iOS devices that you have that comes with your iPhone. So we'll hit not now, since I don't want to sign on to my iCloud. And then Siri, the voice assistant for your iPhone, we can set it up later or now. If you hit now, it'll ask like 5 different things so that it can start recognizing your voice. So when you say, hey Siri, it knows that it's you. So we'll set that up later in settings. Screen time, just analytics of how much time you're using on the phone. Pretty straightforward. You can set up that. You can hit continue on that one since it's a default option. And then app analytics. So if you want to help the developers kind of improve their app, you can help by sending your issue. If you guys have issue, they'll just send that data to Apple. Usually I'd say, hey, don't share, so that doesn't constantly send data to them. Meet the new home button. So the home button, there's a couple ways to kind of set that up. We can do that later as well. Zoom, so there's 2 options for Zoom, either standard or Zoom. So if you guys need bigger text, obviously you select Zoom, but we'll go ahead and show you guys the Zoom version versus the standard. So usually I'll just go with the default. Hit next, and welcome to your iPhone. So we are right to the home screen. So that's how you guys quickly set up your iPhone 7 that you guys want to set up. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumbs up, and I really appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. Till next time, bye guys.